If loading on the roof is not ideal, there's another option.
Your tow hitch is for more than just towing. In fact, a lifestyle receiver hitch lets you carry your favorite toys behind you. For example, your bike.
Carry up to 4 of them with the Yakima FullTilt 4. To begin, release the tongue. Then unfold. Next, insert the rack into the receiver until the auto pin locks in place. Finally, hand tighten the speed knob.
What's in a name? With full tilt, it's more like what's in your trunk. And dirty gear gets a proper place with minimal mess. All without removing the rack.
Now, it's time to load the bike. Maybe next time there'll be 2.
That's easy. Simply lift the latch and swing the carrier out, locking it into place. The heaviest bike goes on first and is secured with a few zip strips. Last step, stabilize the front wheel with a safety strap.
Now you can ride on or glide on with the HitchSki adapter.
Keep watching for more how-tos, and check out the accessory store online to put your cares behind you.